Now, joint venture is different, because joint venture is two companies creating one company together as a shareholder, as an equity holder, to take that company based on their network, knowledge, added value, deliverables, assets, to a much higher level of business execution and industrial offering. Okay? What do I mean by that? Al Arkan is a holding, right? Mainly oil and gas field and mining. That has nothing to do with any Web3 or whatever. But if you narrow it down, and Al Arkan is not the only one, we will be announcing other shareholders that are part of the joint venture. There are multiple parties. Al Arkan, of course, represent a huge opportunity for tokenization, as you just discussed with JP Morgan and people promoting. Why? Because they have physical assets, established entity, very well known and respected within their environment, and they are bringing under one umbrella, one company, a tech company such as Serenity, to be able to make an offering of future financial system, technology, commodities that are in a different format, different wrap. Before, you used to issue bonds, you used to issue certain different level of offering. Here you will be able to issue a biometric card that has tokenized element through an engine, and all this is created by Serenity, right? Then who become your target when you create a joint venture? You're shifting yourself from a Web3 sort of narrowed and closed ecosystem to a much wider audience. When you have a guy like Al Arkan or other shareholders that are joining us, tomorrow you can go sit in front of big businesses, institutional, government, say, this is what we're doing, this is what we're offering. Al Arkan has their own client base. They're onboarding our technology to grow their own business, which will benefit as a whole the sector or the industry. Because once someone does it, competitors will follow suit and do it, right? So we are being here in the forefront to open the institutionalization or institutionalize the tokenized model of established physical businesses, right? So that joint venture can take us a very long way, because we will be dealing with real businesses, real, I would say, clients. It's not Web3 token buyers, is not crypto enthusiasts, is way beyond that.